This video, we're going to look at problems from 14.4, how to add and subtract rational expressions. So these problems will be like those that are like number 5, 7, 9, 11, 21, 29, 31, 37, 43, 45, 53, and 55. And this will be our last video in this particular unit here. We'll go on and talk about solving rational equations and graphing rational equations and things in the future, but this will be the end of our simplifying rational expressions and adding and subtracting rational expressions. So let's go ahead and get started here. 6 over x plus 7 over 2x squared. So my LCD is going to be 2x squared. I multiply by 2x over 2x to make a common denominator here and get 12x plus 7 over 2x squared. And I'm done. That's how I would add those. There's no more simplification to be done because there's not a common factor in the top that would cancel with a common factor in the bottom. Let's look at 5 over x plus 1 plus 28 over 7 x plus 7. 5 over x plus 1 plus 7 times x plus 1. This is 28, so this 7 goes into this 28 4 times. And that makes our common denominator x plus 1. 5 plus 4 is 9 over x plus 1. We have 2 over x plus 1 minus x over x squared minus 1. 2 over x plus 1 minus x over x plus 1 x minus 1. So this is going to be x minus 1, x minus 1, 2x minus 2 minus x over x plus 1, x minus 1. 2x minus x is x minus 2, x plus 1, x minus 1. See how I left everything in factored form just so I could see that nothing was going to cancel in the end here. Let's go ahead and move on to the next problem. Seven over 2x plus 7 over x plus 9. So we need to multiply here by x plus 9 over x plus 9, and here by 2x over 2x. So this is 7x plus 63 plus 7 times 2x is 14x over 2x times x plus 9. 7 plus 14 gives me 21. X plus 63 over 2x times x plus 9. And let's be absolutely sure that nothing cancels out here. 7 times 3x plus 9. Nope. 3 comes out. 21 x plus 3 over 2x times x plus 9. And nothing more cancels. 2 doesn't go into 21. X plus 3 and x plus 9 are not the same. So we are done with that one. I'll let you see the entire problem there. All right. Now I have 8 over x minus 1 plus 4. Absolutely sure that's what the problem is. S plus 4, and there's an invisible 1 in the denominator. So I'm going to multiply by x minus 1 over x minus 1 to make a common denominator. 8 plus 4x minus 4 over x minus 1 is going to give me a 4x plus 4 over x minus 1 is 4 times x plus 1 over x minus 1. And again, nothing common there for me to do anything with. I leave it just like that. We can only cancel factors that are exactly the same, or we can look at factors that are exactly the opposite. So they're either going to make a 1 or a negative 1. But we always want to cancel when they look the same to make a 1. That's what cancellation is. If they're not exactly the same, then we can't cancel. And factors are separated by a multiplication sign. We do not cancel across addition or subtraction signs. Make a common denominator of 14 here. So this is going to be 8x to the 5th minus 3x to the 2nd over 14. And there's nothing more I can do here because these are not like terms for me to add together, since this one is degree 5 and this one is degree 2. Leave that alone. I could do this. Let me show you that. 4x to the 5th over 7, 3x squared over 14. I probably should do this. 8x to the 5th minus 3x squared over 14. I probably should pull the x squared out. Show you that this is 8x to the 3rd minus 3 over 14, just because I've been talking about writing everything in fully factored form when you're done. So I should probably be consistent and do that. Let's go ahead and look at one that is like number 31 now. 1 over x plus 8 minus 7 over x plus 8 to the 2nd. So I'm going to need to multiply here by x plus 8 over x plus 8. That's going to give me x plus 8 minus 7 over x plus 8 quantity squared is x plus 1 over x plus 8 to the 2nd. Looking now at one like number 37, 2x over x minus 16 minus x over x minus 7. We have to multiply by x minus 7 over x minus 7 here, and x minus 16 over x minus 16 here. 2x times x minus 7 minus x times x minus 16 over x minus 7 times x minus 16. 2x times x is 2x squared. Negative 7 times 2x is negative 14x. Negative x times x is negative x squared. Negative x times negative 16 is a positive 16x. Two x squared minus x squared is x squared minus 14x. Negative 14x plus 16x is a positive 2x. 16. So this is going to break down into x times x plus 2 over x minus 7, x minus 16. None of those factors are in common, so we leave that alone. All right. X over x squared minus 25 minus 3 over x squared minus 10x plus 25, x over x plus 5 times x minus 5, myself some space, 3 over x minus 5 squared. So I need another x minus 5 over here, and I need an x plus 5 over here. Give me a common denominator of x plus 5 times x minus 5 squared. And that's an x squared minus 5x for that. And negative 3x minus 15 gives me x squared minus 8x minus 15 over x plus 5, x minus 5 squared is I think that that's it, because there's not going to be any factors of 15 that have a difference of 8. My factors of 15 are 1 and 15, and 3 and 5. This has a difference of 14. This has a difference of 2. So that's not factorable anymore. So go ahead and look at this next one, 7x over 6x plus 6 minus x minus 1 over x plus 1. 7x over 6 times x plus 1 minus, and this is x plus 1, x minus 1. We're going to multiply here by 6 over 6. 7x minus 6x plus 6 over 6 times x plus 1. This is going to be x plus 6 over 6 times x plus 1. And that one's done. Then we have 5 over x squared minus 11x plus 18 minus 2 over x minus 9. 5 over, and then this is going to be x minus 2, 9, x minus 2 over x minus 2. It's going to give me a common denominator of x minus 2, x minus 9. This is 5 minus 2x plus 4 is negative 2x plus 9 over x minus 2, x minus 9 is a negative 2x minus 9 over x minus 2, x minus 9. Something like that, one of those two things, to show that you know that there were no common factors to cancel anymore by factoring it completely. And our last one here, 75 over m squared minus 225 plus 5 over 2 times m plus 15. This is 75 over m plus 15 times m minus 15. M plus 15, so I'm going to multiply by m minus 15, m minus 15, and here I'm going to multiply by 2 over 2. That makes a common denominator of 2 times m plus 15 times m minus 15. 2 times 75 is 150. 5m minus 75 is 5m plus 75 over 2 times m plus 15, m minus 15, 5 times m plus 15 over 2 times m plus 15 times m minus 15. And now you see why I've been writing everything in factored form this whole time and talking about checking to make sure that nothing cancels. 5 over 2 times m minus 15. Let me zoom out and let you get a look at that last problem there. There we go. That's it for this section and for this particular assignment here, this unit. So we'll come back and talk about some other things probably. Let's see. Talk about rational expressions and equations and complex fractions and things like that that we still have to talk about. So we're gonna probably multiply and divide and solve rational equations and all kinds of fun things left. So we'll have one more unit here before we're done with our MDE 60 content, and you're ready to move on to pre-calculus. So we'll see you for the next set of videos.